Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country on another lovely day, and welcome to the Dell. We're at Bathpool in the heart of the Lynher Valley. The property behind me is a wonderful, superior home with 5 bedrooms and many features. Let's go and have a look and explore it. So welcome inside the property, and you'll notice straight away as we come in we've got this wonderful welcoming reception space where, as you can see, can encompass a wonderful dining space with room for many people to sit and enjoy, and it's just perfect for those buyers who love to entertain. So as we go through into the main reception space, where you can see we've got a lovely shiny porcelain floor again, and it's a great dual aspect room for plenty of people to sit and relax and enjoy, with some great features with the beams, high quality downlighting as well. And we've got a gas fire here just to create that lovely warm environment and coziness. The high specification property, as you would fully expect, has an exquisite kitchen with solid granite tops. We've got a range of integrated appliances. The Belling oven has recently been installed. And of course, if you're thinking, have I watched my favourite programme? Well, you can just flip down the television and away you go. How about that? So, we come into the conservatory, and it's a glorious day, and it's just drenched with natural sunlight. The owners use this room a lot, as you would expect, because it has that wonderful view encompassing the beautiful Lynher Valley to its absolute full. We've got electronic blinds in here as well, and plenty of space just to unwind after a busy day. A really lovely part of the property. So here we are on the first floor, and we've got 5 bedrooms on this level. Here you can see the quality of the master bedroom, which is simply divine. It's light, it's airy, and just look at this. Let me draw your attention to this. This is a fantastic feature of the home. It's a flip down television. So as you lie there in your bed after a long day, you can actually just flip the television down and watch your favourite programme. How about that? What a feature, it really is. But there's more. Come with me and look at this. For those that have all the clothes you could ever dream of, you can open this and go straight through into your wonderful walk-in wardrobe. Incredible. And the ensuite, as you'll see, is wonderful. Again, it's got a lovely tile floor, huge shower. There's a television here as well, so you can ensure that you don't miss any moment of your favourite programme. Simply exquisite, it really is. Now, I've left my shorts at home today, which is a real shame because it's a wonderful day. Otherwise, I'd be jumping straight into this swimming pool. But you could be doing that day in, day out if you buy this property. And what I really love is we've got this lovely glazed roof, meaning that the season is extended for 12 months of the year. So whether it's hot evenings in the pool with the light on, or whether it's in the winter, being able to come in here and still create that lovely warm feel for exercise, this pool really is a completely fantastic feature of this home. For more information, please contact Fine & Country today on 01566 771919. Thank you.